Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, dear second year students? Hope so you all are fine. Today we will start second question of exercise 1.2. That is, for the real valued function f defined below, find f inverse x, and in B part f inverse minus 1, and verify f of f inverse x is equal to f inverse f of x is equal to x. We have to calculate a, b, and after calculating a, b, we have to verify these two terms. For the parts of the question, there are 4 parts. In first part, first of all we will solve first part, that is f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 8. In first part of question number 2, f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 8. To solve this part, first of all I am going to calculate a, f inverse x. A, to calculate f inverse x, first of all write the given function, that is f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 8. Okay, to calculate first part, that is f inverse x, suppose we have taken y is equal to, let y is equal to f of x, that is equal to minus 2x plus 8 as it is given here. So it means y is equal to minus 2x plus 8. Clear? So from this equation we can easily write minus 2x is equal to 8 minus y, and x is equal to, value of x is now 8 minus y divided by 2, right? As we know, always remember, if y is equal to f of x, if y is equal to f of x, it means x is equal to f inverse y, and y is equal to then f inverse x. Remember it. So now x is equal to 8 minus y divided by 2, so we can write it as x is equal to f inverse y. Are you getting this point, girls? X is equal to f inverse y, and f inverse y is equal to this is equal to f inverse y, so replace this x with f inverse y. F inverse y is equal to 8 minus y over 2. What we are going to calculate? We are going to calculate a part, that is f inverse x, right? If f inverse y is equal to 8 minus y, then f inverse x is equal to, in place of y write x, 8 minus x divided by 2. Okay, now we have calculated a part, that is f inverse x is equal to 8 minus x divided by 2. So what is our second requirement? What is our second part? In second part, calculate in B part. In B part, now we have to calculate f inverse minus 1. So in this given function f inverse, in place of x put minus 1, as we have done in last questions. Okay, we have to calculate now f inverse minus 1. So to calculate f inverse minus 1, in replacement of x put minus 1. Clear? Listen me again. F inverse x we have calculated 8 minus x divided by 2. Now we have to calculate f inverse minus 1 in B part. To calculate f inverse minus 1, now put in place of x 1. So f inverse minus 1 is equal to 8 minus, in place of x, minus 1 divided by 2. So what's our final answer now? Minus minus plus 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 2. So we have calculated now f inverse minus 1 is equal to 9 by 2. Now girls, we are going to solve to verify f of f inverse x is equal to f inverse f of x is equal to x. So first of all, I am calculating f of f inverse x. Okay, f of f inverse x mean in the function of f of x, that is this one. This is the function of f of x. Now we have two functions. One is f of x and second one is we have calculated f inverse x, right? So now to calculate f of f inverse x in function of f of x, we have to put in place, in replacement of x, f inverse x function. So I have written here, look it carefully, f of x, that is function of x, minus 2 in place of x, f inverse x plus 8 as it is, right? All parts of question number 2 have same method, so kindly listen and watch this lecture attentively. Minus 2 as it is, in place of f inverse x put its value, that is 8 minus x divided by 2, this one, 8 minus x divided by 2 plus 8. आफ्टर पुटिंग वैल्यूज़ सिर्फ आप लोगों ने यहाँ पर जो वैल्यूज़ है उनको बड़े ध्यान से पुट करना है, बाकी रिमेनिंग जो है तो वो तो आपकी सिंपल कैलकुलेशन होती है. ओके, नाउ मल्टीप्लाई माइनस 2 विद 8 माइनस एक्स, 2 when multiply with 8 minus 16, minus minus plus 2x divided by 2 plus 8. Take LCM, 2 minus 16 plus 2x plus 16. Minus 16 plus 16 cancel out and remaining term is only 2x divided by 2. 2 cancel out with 2, only left one x. So it means you have calculated f of f inverse x, that is equal to only x. Now calculate f inverse f of x. Now to calculate f inverse f of x, what is the function of f inverse? अब इसको पहले अंडरस्टैंड करें, इसमें हमने करना क्या है. f in the function of f inverse x, that is this one, 8 minus x, in replacement of x put the function of f of x, right? Look here, 8 minus in place of x, write f of x divided by 2 as it is. Okay, now 8 as it is, 8 minus what is f of x, this one, minus 2x plus 8, minus 2x plus 8 and divided by 2 as it is, put a bracket here. Okay, when minus sign multiply with these bracket terms, it becomes as minus minus plus 8 plus 2x minus 8 divided by 2. This plus 8 cancel out with this minus 8, 2x divided by 2, 2 cancel out with 2, only left x. So it means now we have verified that what is f of f inverse x is equal to f of f inverse x, this is equal to x, and f inverse f of x, this is also equal to x. So we can write it as f of f inverse x is equal to f inverse f of x is equal to x. We have verified. Okay, we have verified that these two are equal to x. Now I am repeating the solution of question number 2a part. We have to calculate f inverse x, f inverse minus 1, and we have verified this term, right? First we have calculated f inverse x. We have written function, given function f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 8. Let y is equal to f of x and f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 8 and y is equal to minus 2x plus 8. We have calculated the value of x. As we know, when we have written y is equal to f of x, it means x is equal to f inverse y. Okay, this is written in the introduction of this exercise. You can read the introduction of the exercise. And y is equal to f inverse x. Okay, these are rules. So now we have calculated f inverse x is equal to 8 minus x divided by 2. We have calculated first part, A part. Now what's second part, f inverse minus 1. Now put minus 1 in replacement of x. Your required answer is this one. And after that verify f of f inverse x. After that we have verified f of f inverse x is equal to f inverse f of x is equal to x. Simple calculation. First we have calculated f of f inverse x, that is equal to x we have find, and f inverse f of x is also equal to x, so it means we have verified this one, right? All parts of question number 2 have same method. So your homework is question number 2 part number 1 to 4, calculate A, B and verified terms. Okay, so this is do homework and practice of question number 2 all parts. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.